So if you're looking to dive into email marketing, this is the tutorial for you. I've covered the built-in tools you can access right from your admin panel on Shopify. So I'll walk you through the process, right? So you'll want to head over to the marketing section in your Shopify admin first, which here we can see marketing. You can click on marketing. And then here we have marketing, right? Now from here, you can create a new campaign. And so let's click on create a campaign. And then here we can choose Shopify email as the campaign. So let's click on Shopify email. And now we can see a different variety of templates to get started. Now, these templates can be for things like product launches, sales announcements, or even just regular newsletters. So just pick the one that best suits what you're trying to achieve, right? So I'm just gonna select a random one, doesn't matter. And now really super interesting here because we can really customize our email. So you can customize the branding, the image, the messaging your brand is about. You can even personalize elements with custom data. So it's pretty fun, as you can see. There's a lot of things you can change here. Now I'm not gonna just tell you here, okay, we can increase font size here. Obviously, I'm pretty sure you know already how to. It's pretty intuitive. This click on here, click on that, and you can change position, section, columns, alignment, color, style, text style. Color for links, for text, for. So yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And but the question here, who we are sending these emails to. So Shopify email, this app we just installed, will let you segment your customer list so you can target specific groups. So this way you can send emails that are most relevant to their, interests and purchase history. And a catchy subject line is really key to getting people to actually open your email. So really take your time to really, create really compelling messages that will grab their attention. Also, you can study competition, subscribe to other newsletter, read, inform yourself. Takes time and practice. There's really not one solution. Now we can preview this. We can send a test to an email. This is just gonna help you when you preview your email campaign because you want to look how on different devices, maybe on computer will look different, on your phone of course it's going to look different. So yeah, just test this. And some additional tips I have for you is just take your time to absorb information. So you can, I hope you learn something from here, but also make sure you do also your research as well. And look for more knowledge. For me, found very helpful when I'm learning from multiple sources. Also, don't overwhelm also your subscribers. Your aim is just to be consistent with your email schedule. Don't send too many emails like every day, and most of them, if they are like maybe you know sponsorships or stuff like that, it's annoying. That's very important. And just take your time to analyze the performance of those emails. So yeah, it takes time. There's a lot of work involved. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.